try to paint this little character. We'll start out with his hat. Something about the color of a straw hat, maybe. Let's mix a little brown and yellow and see what we get. Kind of a, oh, what the heck. I only leave it once. Let's put it on him and see what it looks like. Good day, viewers. I got my GoPro hooked up on top of the teleprompter with a new type of bracket that just glues on. I think it's going to work okay, depending on whether or not the subject is standing too close. Anyway, we're going to try that for our first teleprompter test, which won't be today. I'm tinkering with a bit of painting over here. Let's look at it. I tinkered with him a little bit last night. I'm not a very good painter. Got his hair too gray. I think I'll start out today by putting some white streaks in it. Maybe that'll look it better. I could always change his hair to brown. But Rembrandt, I'm not. Let's do a little painting today. Alright, my friends, I've been doing a little painting. Painted this character here that Todd made. Got his hair too gray. I've been painting it, I haven't finished. Got his hair too gray. Let's put some white streaks in it today. We could always change it to brown. Rembrandt I'm not, but I've started painting on it. We need to touch up his facial features like eyebrows and eyeballs. Put a little pink in his cheek. I'm not much at mixing paint. Looks more yellow than he does flesh color, but he's definitely going to be unique when I paint him.